French Bulldogs are very popular among the city dwellers. They're famous by the nickname of Frenchie and are distinguished by their erect, bat-like ears. As it is clearly evident from their name and structure, Frenchies trace back their ancestry to Bulldogs. The toy Bulldogs were very popular among the lace makers in England. When these lace makers moved to France, they brought their toy Bulldogs with them. In France, these dogs were crossbred with local ratters and terriers, which eventually resulted in the formation of these bat-eared Frenchies. According to the latest ranking of American Kennel Club, French Bulldog is the second most famous dog breed in the United States. They are considered as an ideal dog for an apartment life because of their small size and low exercise demand. There are many factors that define the food requirements of a French Bulldog, like age, size, and activity level. A dog has different nutritional requirements at different stages of life. Puppies need more calories than adult dogs because they are in the phase of growing. A Frenchie puppy needs to be fed 3 times a day. When a puppy reaches 1 year of age, switch its food to adult type. An adult dog needs a high-calorie diet. They should be fed twice a day. Senior dogs are usually less active and have different nutritional requirements than adult dogs. When buying food from the market, make sure to buy one that is appropriate for your dog's age. Ideally, a French Bulldog should be given around 25 to 30 calories per pound of body weight. If your Frenchie is over or underweight, their food intake needs to be changed, as advised by a veterinarian. It is a general rule that a more active dog will require more calories than a lazier one. The Association of American Feed Control Officials has set standards for different nutritional requirements. Always buy food that is AAFCO compliant. Protein is the most important ingredient in a dog's food. It is supposed to be at the top of the ingredients list, since ingredients on the food label are listed according to the decreasing order of weight. AAFCO recommends a minimum protein requirement of 22% for a puppy and 18% for an adult dog. Proteins derived from animal sources are more easily digestible than plant ones. Fat is the second most important ingredient in a dog's food. Fats provide a concentrated form of energy. According to AAFCO guidelines, the minimum fat requirement is 8% for a puppy and 5% for an adult dog. Prefer food brands that contain animal fats. Other main ingredients in the dog's food are supposed to be carbohydrates, omega-3 fatty acids, essential vitamins, and minerals. Buy a grain-free diet. Don't buy food brands that contain fillers, preservatives, or chemical flavorings. Don't change food type abruptly. Slowly introduce the new food by mixing it with the old one. Frenchies are very food-driven dogs and would eat anything you put in their bowl. This high food drive may lead to obesity or overweight. Obesity is a serious health condition that can cause heart or joint diseases. It is important to monitor their weight and calories intake. French Bulldogs are not outdoor dogs, and they require minimum exercise activities. A short walk of 15 to 20 minutes twice a day is enough to keep them in shape. Excessive exercise can be dangerous for them because their short snouts and flat faces will make it hard for them to breathe properly. You have to be very careful when taking them outside for walks. Since Frenchies belong to the flat-faced breeds, they are more prone to breathing problems. In a heated environment, they have difficulty breathing, which is why you need to take them outside in the morning and evening, or during the daytime when the temperature is not harsh. At extreme temperatures, you might hear their obstructive breathing, which is a sign of breathing difficulty. Moreover, Frenchies are not good swimmers and shouldn't be left alone near pools, streams, etc. One of the advantages of having a French Bulldog is that it's a low-maintenance dog and is easy to groom. Frenchies have short, silky coats that are easy to groom. They are average shedders and need weekly brushing. Brushing spreads natural oils to the surface of a dog's skin and removes dead, loose hairs. It also helps to spot your dog's skin for any kind of infections or skin lesions. Thanks to their Bulldog ancestors, French Bulldogs have those beautiful skin folds. These folds need to be kept clean and dry. If there is any moisture in them, a bacterial growth will occur, which can cause infection. Clean their wrinkles every day, especially after they've been exposed to water. Frenchies need only occasional baths, usually once a month or as needed. Always use dog products, as humans' shampoo or soap may cause allergic reactions in dogs. It is important to clean and dry their wrinkles after they take a bath. Frenchies are famous for their distinctive bat-like ears. Check them weekly for any buildup of wax or debris. Clean their ears with a damp cloth and a vet-recommended cleaning solution. Do not insert Q-tips in their ears. French Bulldogs' nails grow faster than the other breeds. Trim their nails after every 2 weeks using a dog nail trimmer. Be careful not to cut the quick portion of their nails. Like other dog breeds, Frenchies require regular dental care. Brush their teeth several times a week. Use a dog's toothbrush and paste. Frenchies are intelligent dog breeds, but training them is a challenging task. They are eager to please their owners and learn new things. Training them could be easy, as long as you do it on their own terms without forcing them. Frenchies are independent and free thinkers, and sometimes show some stubbornness during the training process. It means they will play the game on their own rules and resist the training process if forced upon them. This is a normal behavior of the breed and shouldn't be dealt with harshly. Praise and treats will help you a lot in such situations. Early socialization is required to make them well-behaved adult dogs. Expose them to different people, places, or animals. The ideal time for socialization of a dog is from 2 to 4 months of age. A poorly socialized dog will develop behavioral problems. Positive reinforcement is the key to a successful training process. Praise and reward them whenever they follow a command. This will accelerate the training process. Scolding or punishing your dog is totally counterproductive and should be avoided at all costs. Make the training sessions short, fun, and easy for your Frenchie. A short, focused training of 15 to 20 minutes is enough for your dog. Teach only one command in a session. French Bulldogs have an average lifespan of 11 to 13 years. They could live longer than that if cared for properly. However, there could be some general and breed-specific issues. French Bulldogs are brachycephalic, which literally means short-headed. They have short snouts and flat faces, which make it hard for them to breathe properly in certain situations. Because of their brachycephalic condition, Frenchies cannot tolerate extreme temperatures and excessive exercise. It is best to take them outdoors only in moderate temperatures. Excessive exercise requires increased breathing, which is difficult for Frenchies because of brachycephalic condition. Vaccinations are vital for your dog's health. It usually starts around the 6th week of age. Make sure that your puppy doesn't come in contact with other dogs or pets until it is vaccinated. The common vaccines include rabies, distemper, parvovirus, and Lyme. Consult your veterinarian about the vaccination process for your puppy. If you are looking to adopt a French Bulldog puppy, check for certain health clearances and certificates. These health clearances mean that the puppy's parents were genetically tested before mating, thus eliminating the risk of genetically inherited diseases. Some of the important health clearances for a French Bulldog include Certificate from OFA for hip and elbow dysplasia, Certificate from CRF for eyes, Certificate from OFA for patella evaluation, Certificate from OFA for cardiac evaluation. You can confirm the results of these tests on OFA or CHIC websites.